In 5, section 7, part 1, so we're going to solve some linear equations and inequalities. The equations and inequalities, for the most part, are solved in the exact same way in terms of the skills and the routine for the question. The only thing you need to watch out for with inequalities is if you're going to divide through by a negative number at the point of division by the negative number, then you need to flip the inequality around. So let's look at a few of these. Okay, example 1, 3 plus 4 bracket x minus 5 is equal to 4 plus x. So expand out the brackets first and collect things together. So that's 3 plus 4x minus 20 is equal to 4 plus x. So 3 minus 20 is minus 17, so 4x minus 17 is equal to 4 plus x. I can now change side, change sign. So letters to the left, numbers to the right, change their side, change their sign. So x across to become minus x, and minus 17 across to become plus 17. So that's 4x minus x is equal to 4 plus 17. That's then 3x equals 21, and x is equal to 21 over 3, and x is equal to 7. Okay, example 2. 2 minus 3 bracket x minus 1 is equal to 1 plus 2 bracket x minus 1. So expand out the brackets and collect like terms to get going. 2 minus 3x, minus times a minus is a plus, so minus 3 times minus 1 is plus 3, is equal to 1 plus 2x minus 2. Collect together my like terms. So I've got minus 3x on this side, and 2 plus 3 is 5. Minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 2x, and 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Letters to the left, numbers to the right, change side, change sign. Minus 3x minus 2x is equal to minus 1 minus 5. That's minus 5x equals minus 6. X equals minus 6 over minus 5. Just be careful, can the fraction be simplified? Well, two negatives cancel out. 6 over 5 can go any simpler. X equals 6 over 5. Okay, example 3. 9 minus bracket x plus 3 is equal to minus 7. If you can see a number in front of the bracket, the number there is just 1. So that's 9 minus 1 times x is minus x, and minus 1 times 3 is minus 3, and that's equal to minus 7. I've got minus x. 9 minus 3 is 6. Minus x plus 6 is equal to minus 7. Minus x equals minus 7 minus 6, which is minus 13, which means x is equal to 13. Example 4. 2 bracket 2x minus 1 is greater than 5 bracket x plus 1. So remember that these can be solved in the exact same way. I just need to watch out for, if I need to divide through by a negative number, then at the point of division by the negative number, I need to flip the inequality around. So that's 4x minus 2 is greater than 5x plus 5. Letters to the left, numbers to the right. 4x minus 5x is greater than 5 plus 2. 4x minus 5x is minus 1x is greater than 7. I'm now going to divide by minus 1, so that means I flip the inequality around because I'm dividing by the minus 1 here. So x is less than 7 divided by minus 1, which is minus 7. X is less than minus 7. Okay, example 5. 4 minus 3x is less than or equal to 7. So minus 3x is less than or equal to 7 minus 4. Minus 3x is less than or equal to 3. I'm just about to divide through by a negative number, so flip that inequality around. X is greater than or equal to 3 divided by minus 3. X is greater than or equal to minus 1. Example 6. Half x plus 5 is equal to 7. There's a couple of different ways of doing this one. But one way of doing it is the thing that appears to be causing difficulty here is the fraction in the 2 down bottom. So what I can do with equations is, as long as I multiply all terms by the same thing, then I keep the equation balanced. So I could multiply everything here by 2. So if you were to multiply the half by 2, well, the divide by 2 would just cancel out with the times by 2. I would then multiply the 5 by 2 and the 7 by 2. So the times by 2 and divide by 2 there would cancel out, it just give me x. 5 times 2 is 10, and 7 times 2 is 14, and that's quite easy, x is equal to 4. Example 7, 1/4 of x minus 3 is equal to 2. Okay, same kind of thing. The divide before, I can multiply by 4, and I'm going to multiply that side by 4. The multiply and divide before cancels out, and I've just got 1 bracket x minus 3 is equal to 2 times 4 is 8. X minus 3 is equal to 8. Bring that across, change its sign. 8 plus 3, x is equal to 11. Okay, so let's bring in some inequalities with fractions. 1/3 of x plus 5 is less than or equal to 15. Multiply that side by 3 and multiply that side by 3. So that will just give me 1 lot of the bracket, x plus 5 is less than or equal to, take your time, 15 times 3, and that's 45. X plus 5 is less than or equal to 45. Bring that across. 45 minus 5 is 40. Final answer, x is less than or equal to 40. Example 9. 1/4 of 2x plus 1 minus 3 is greater than 10. So the 4 is causing difficulty, so I can multiply that before as well as all other terms by 4. Times before and divide before gives me 1 lot of the brackets, so that's just 2x plus 1 minus 3 4s are 12, and that's greater than 10 times 4, which is 40. So it's going to be 2x, collect together like terms, minus 11 is greater than 40. Change side, change sign. 2x is greater than 40 plus 11, which is 51. X is greater than 51 over 2. Check, can it be simplified? And it can't. Final answer.